Welcome to my channel, Curious Brain. 1. Who is authorized to decide over a dispute regarding disqualification of a member of parliament? A. Speaker of Lok Sabha. B. President. C. Election Commissioner. D. A committee set up by the parliament. Answer B. President. Though, who among the following was never the Lok Sabha Speaker? A. KVK Sundaram. B. G.S. Dhillon. C. Baliram Bagat. D. Hukam Singh. Answer A. KVK Sundaram. What is the age of retirement of a judge of a Supreme? A. 62 वर्ष. B. 68 वर्ष. C. 60 वर्ष. D. 65 वर्ष. Answer D. 65 वर्ष. 4. The Constitution of India provides A. Presidential form government. B. Cabinet system of government. C. Parliamentary system. D. Bicameral system of government. Answer B. Cabinet system of government. 5. Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao is the Prime Minister of India. A. 7th. B. 6th. C. 5th. D. 9th. Answer D. 9th. Chair. In 2011, the present majority leader of the Lok Sabha is A. Pranab Mukherjee. B. Sushma Swaraj. C. Mrs. Meera Kumar. D. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Answer A. Pranab Mukherjee. 7. The Indian Constitution is regarded as A. Federal. B. Unitary. C. Parliament. D. Federal in form and unitary in spirit. Answer D. Federal in form and unitary in spirit. 8. The part of the Constitution that reflects the mind and ideals of the framers is A. Directive Principles. B. Fundamental Rights. C. Preamble. D. Citizenship. Answer C. Preamble. No. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from the A. Italian Constitution. B. Canadian Constitution. C. French Constitution. D. Constitution of USA. Answer D. Constitution of USA. Thus, what is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? A. 12 years. B. 14 years. C. 16 years. D. 18 years. Answer B. 14 years. 11. Which of the following is not a condition for become a citizen of India? A. Birth. B. Descent. C. Naturalization. D. Acquiring property. Answer D. Acquiring property. 12. Who is competent to prescribe conditions as for acquiring Indian citizenship? A. State legislatures. B. Parliament. C. President. D. Attorney General. Answer B. Parliament. 13. The Lok Sabha is also known as A. Council of States. B. The Upper House. C. The House of the People. D. Parliament. Answer C. The House of the People. 14. The chairman of the Rajya Sabha is the A. President of India. B. Vice President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. None of the above. Answer B. Vice President of India. 15. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provisions for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? A. 5th. B. 6th. C. 7th. D. 8th. Answer 5th. 16. Who was the first foreign minister of Free India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Gulzari Lal Nanda. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. John Mathai. Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 17. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. M.N. Roy. Answer D. M.N. Roy. 18. The Government of India Act 1935 vested the residuary power in the A. British Parliament. B. Federal Legislature. C. State Legislature. D. Government General. Answer D. Government General. 19. India became a sovereign democratic republic on A. August 15, 1947. B. January 30, 1948. C. January 26, 1950. D. November 26, 1929. Answer C. January 26, 1950. 20. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in A. July 1948. B. July 1950. C. July 1947. D. August 1947. Answer C. July 1947.